So Pythagoras theorem we start in this video. The right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, what is the Pythagoras theorem? The sum of square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of other two sides. This is the rule. Second rule is that convert that suppose the square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of other two sides of a sum of the square of other two sides, then that triangle is right angle triangle. The angle opposite to the first side of the right angle triangle. Okay, the angle is opposite to the first side is the right angle triangle. Means angle opposite to the hypotenuse is the right angle triangle. That angle is right angle triangle. And here also a Pythagoras triplet is also suppose c square equals to, if the a b c are three positive integers, then c square equals to a square plus b square. Let's move ahead. Suppose we have to find Pythagoras triplet and we are given with two numbers, negative integers u and v. If u is greater than v, then we have the formulas, three formulas, then we can find a triplet. Okay, you can see here example given here. We use this example also. Now we start exercise 14.3. In 14.3, in first question, you have to find the third side, and two sides is given to us. So first of all, you have to make a figure and then you find ABC, because when you don't make the figure, you are not able to find what we have to find. We have to find hypotenuse or we have to find the sides. Okay, no, it is not clear here by orally. So we have to find, first of all, we have to make the figure first of all. Okay, so I have solved one question for you, exercise 4.3. So I have made here A, B, C and C right angle triangle. That's why it becomes here this measurement is C, opposite to angle A it is A, and opposite to angle B is B. Now what is given to us? A and C is given to us. We have to find B. By Pythagoras theorem it is there. I have to write here. Not directly you can write. I have to write here. In right angle triangle A, C, B by Pythagoras theorem, C square equals to A square plus B square. So we are given with the value, we put the values of A square and C square and A square, and we are given with B square. 2.6 A square, 2.6 square is 6.76 equals to 1 B square, and this one goes to this side. B square equals to 6.76 minus 1, it becomes 5.76, and 5.76 we can write like this, 576 by 100, and we do the prime factorization and we make the group. When we make the group, we remove the square also. When we remove the square, we write one number from the each group. Suppose 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2, 3 into 3, 3 only. Like that only 2 into 5. When you multiply 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6 by 10, 24 by 10, that is 2.4. So we get B as 2.4. So the third side is B, and this is 2.4. Like this, you have to find all the third side of this exercise. Now we have to find that whether these are Pythagoras triplets or not. It must be from A square, the sum of 2's. Again you see here, don't be confused how I writing. What is Pythagoras triplet? Suppose there are three integers A, B, C, taken in this order, are called Pythagoras triplet if it is given. If C square equals to A square plus B square, means n square is equal to sum of other two squares. Okay. Suppose I assume it U, V, Z, W, you can assume P, Q, R, you can assume A, B, C, D, E, F, anything you can assume here. Okay. And You choose any two smaller number, okay, no, means less than 15. With bigger number is 15, and the less means smaller than the bigger number, that is 8 and 7. Find the square, it is 170, 113, and q square is how much? This 225, okay. So when this two add, this is not equal here. U square plus v square is not equal to q square. That's why this is not a Pythagoras triplet, okay. Like this, you have to solve question number 2. Till question number 2, you have to solve the question, and I explain the rest of this exercise afterwards. And one more question I want to explain with you. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is given that, first you read the question here. A right angle triangle is isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. If the square of the hypotenuse is 50, the square of the hypotenuse is given to is 50. What is the length of the each of its leg? Means what equals these the two sides, okay. Suppose we are given with this right angle triangle, and these two are equal, and it is 90 degree, and this one is, this is square, it is not 50. Suppose it is A, B and C. So B square is how much? 50. Unit was not given to us, and we have to find the square of the length of this two, not a square. So this is C and this is A. So what you write first? Let, because the triangle is not given to us, we are assuming let A, B, C, B, triangle A, B, C, B, required right angle triangle. So here by the where angle B is 90 degree. You have to mention this which angle is 90 degree, okay. By Pythagoras theorem, B square equals to A square plus C square. B square equals to A square plus A square, and B square is given to us 50. A square, 2 of A square, okay. Why? Since A equals to C, it is given to us, two sides are equal, okay. So A square equals to 50 by 2, isn't it? We cancel it, we get 25. A square equals to 25. So here A equals to, you can write here 5 into 5. A equals to 5, okay. So you can write, we don't find A and B, we have to write length of each of triangles, right angle triangle leg, right angle triangle leg is 5. What 5? 5 units, okay. It is units, okay. In unit you can write, because length is always in units. So like this you have to solve this question. In 4 number also, 4 number you see the length of the side of some triangle are given. We have to find whether the triangle is right angle. The same question, it is same the question to the question number 2. Question number 2, okay. What is the longest side is there? 10. So among you write, you have to show that the square of C is equal to sum of the square of B and C. If D are equal, then this measurement make the right angle triangle, otherwise not. So till 4 number you solve this exercise, and then you further move ahead in another session. That's all for today, this session, okay, this session of video.